What's up, cast addicts? Hope you guys been out fishing. The weather is here, especially for us guys up north. We have to deal with the winter weather, but the weather is nice out. It's time to go out fishing. A lot of you are not working. Try to go out as much fishing as you can. Some of us that still do work, try to go out as much as we can. Me, I try to make as much videos as I can. I strap the GoPro every time I go out fishing. And it's hard making videos. Sometimes I get skunked most of the time. But I did go out trout fishing the other day, and that's the clip I'm going to show you guys today. I caught 2 trout, but to me, it's good to catch fish, even if it's one fish. I'm going to show you guys that video today. Hope you guys like it. So let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so at the first little spot here. My normal trout fishing spot. There's a couple casts with a little jig head. Hit the tree behind me. Water over here looks pretty deep. That was almost a snag. Got one. Got one. What is this? Trout. Yes. Yes, good thing I was recording that. All right, buddy, let's get you off. All right, nice little rainbow trout. He's bleeding a little bit, so I'm gonna get him back in there. He took right off. All right. First fish of the day. Grab my pliers. Nice little rainbow. He snagged it really hard to the point where I thought I was snagged up. Let's try again. Got bugs all over me. Got him on that Panther Martin. See if I can get it real quick. That Panther Martin. Black and yellow. See if I can get a close up. Black and yellow. It's the smaller size. I can't remember the weights, but it is the smaller size. They got them in 2 different sizes. Right over there. Got one. Ooh, he bit it hard and let it go. That was a big one. That was a big one. Yes, sir, that was a big one. Let that fall to the bottom, reel it back in, and get a fish. I got one. Oh, he's a big one. He's got to be big. He feels big. Is he big? Oh my God, he's so little. He is so small. This one looks like a brown. Oh, got him unhooked. Let's see if I can show you guys real quick. I believe it's a little brown. Might be a brook. I always have trouble identifying the brooks and the browns. One of them has the red spots on it. Can't really remember. That was with a bent hook.
Let's try another color, see if I can entice them to bite. Might be getting too dark for you guys to see now. Might end the video here because it's way too dark.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that quick video. I try to give out content when I can, even when it's rough. I try to do what I can, but I do have a bass fishing video that I'm going to drop soon, so keep an eye out for that. Hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video of my trout fishing. Hope you guys can get out there and fish and have more a lot more luck than I'm having, but you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna get on out of here. If you can, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll try to push out as much videos as I can. For now, I'm out. It's Cat Static Fishing. Mike here. I'm out. Peace.